In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Calendly email notifications, providing a comprehensive guide to help you regain control over your inbox in 2025. Calendly is a fantastic tool for scheduling, but sometimes those notification emails can become a bit overwhelming. Don't worry, I've got you covered with a step-by-step walkthrough. Let's start by navigating to the Calendly website. Open your preferred web browser and enter calendly.com into the address bar. Once you're on the site, you'll need to sign into your Calendly account if you aren't already logged in. This will bring you to your dashboard where you can see all the different event types you've created. The next step is choosing the event type for which you'd like to adjust the notifications. Take a moment to scan your list and identify the event you want to modify. Once you have it, go ahead and click on it. Doing this will open up the detailed view of your selected event type, offering a peek into its settings and configurations. Now, look towards the top of the page for a button or link labeled More Options. Clicking it will reveal a drop-down menu or a new section, giving you a variety of additional settings to choose from. This is where you'll be able to customize how notifications are handled. In the Options menu, find and click on Notifications and Workflows. This section is crucial as it houses all the settings related to how Calendly communicates upcoming events via email. Here, you'll find toggles and options for configuring everything from reminders to follow-ups. Focus your attention on the Event Reminders toggle, which will be clearly marked. This toggle is your gateway to controlling whether reminders are sent for this particular event type. Click the toggle to open the options related to automation. Next up, you'll see the option to turn off these reminders. With just a simple click, you'll be able to stop the notifications from being sent, decluttering your email, and allowing you to maintain focus on more pressing tasks. Finally, make sure all your changes are kept by clicking on Save Changes. It's essential to do this, as you don't want your adjustments to be lost. With your settings saved, you've successfully turned off the email notifications for that event type. Congratulations on taking this step towards managing your notifications in a more efficient manner. If you have any further questions or need additional guidance on other settings in Calendly, feel free to reach out. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.